How are you?
Hi, look at me.
Look at me. What is this?
He's making good like this.
A Mickey Mouse.
Do you want that?
Do you want that? Hello, skirt.
Come, mommy.
Let's find the log.
A baby Rosie.
She's singing. Good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. Happy Wednesday everyone. It's currently 5 o'clock ng hapon and kakatapos ko lang mag-work. And ngayon ay, you know na, pipick upin natin ang ating baby girls. And meron akong satchel dito, Australia Post. So diba kahapon hindi ako nakaalis when I supposed to go to the post office. Kaya si Daddy Mike pala today ay walang trabaho. So annual leave niya today and tomorrow. Kaya pumunta siya kanina ng shops, tapos pinabili ko na lang siya ng ganito. Ayan, para ma-post ko na to kasi baka si ate girl ay magalit na kasi hindi ko na-post kahapon. And yeah, so that's about it. Si Daddy Mike pala natin ay dito nag-relax-relax. So ayan, oh. Nakikinig ng kanyang music. Sana all my annual leave. Pakita muna natin yung outfit natin, guys, before tayo alis. Ayan. Susuot ko yung aking pink na denim ba to? Denim jacket. And this is from Shein, guys. Plano ko rin pala na i-haul to. Try on haul. Oh, God, plano. Ilang months na plano. Ayan. And then yung leggings from ASOS. Ayan. I'm starting to like leggings now. That's good. And now I'm just going to share with you guys ang ating positive quote of the day. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. Ayan. So that's for today. Nakatulog pala si Daddy Mike natin, guys. Hindi ko na ginising. Pa-relax-relax yan siya. It's good na meron siyang annual leave para naman, relax yung katawan. Check natin ang mailbox, B. Baka may nag-send. What is this? Ayan guys, hindi para sa amin, para sa yung nakatira sa bahay namin before ba. Hindi siguro nila na-change yung address, kaya ayan, dito pa rin nasi-send. Let's go in. Ito pala guys, hindi ko na kailangan pumunta ng ng post office for this. Yung may red box sa gilid ng daan ba, pwedeng dyan ko na lang i-drop. So yan yung sinasabi ko na red box for Australia Post, guys. So hindi ko na kailangan pumunta ng post office, and it's literally less than 1 minute drive galing sa amin, kaya very handy. And let's do it. Put the water bottle here na. Good girl. Thank you, anak. Thank you, princess. What's that?
It's in the picture.
Pizza. Come on.
Minute.
Let's go. Do you want to push the door? Push the door. Push. 1, 2. Good job. Well done, honey.
Hat.
Is that Phoenix's hat? Is that Phoenix's hat? Say hi, Herbie. Hi, friends. How are you?
Hi, look at me.
Look at me. What is this?
He's making good like this.
A Mickey Mouse.
Do you want that?
Do you want that?
This one walnut.
What's the color of the bar? What's the color of this?
Red.
Red. Do you like Mickey Mouse now?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh,
It's a
Good
bus.
job.
It's a bus.
careful. Bye, bus. Did you say bye, bus? Did you say bye, bus? Pull. Yay! Sige na, very windy na. Uy. Woo! Siya rin nagawas, Bahala niyang malakad yung mama. Careful, ha? Where's Daddy na? Good girl. Good girl. Kiss si Mama lagi. Kiss si Mama. Kiss me. I love you.
Hello.
Now, what did you do at school today?
Mama.
Did you play? Come sit down now here. Oh, sit down now.
I'm gonna eat.
Oh,
I'm going to eat.
you're going to eat.
Oh my God.
Huh?
My God.
My God.
Oh my God.
What is it now?
Oh my God.
My God. Oh, good job, my love.
Oh my God.
A flying kiss right here. Huh? Where did Daddy go?
It's going in the doctor.
Oh, Daddy went to the doctor. Why? Dili man good to doctor, not. Daddy is cooking.
No.
There. There. Nak, what did you eat today?
Eat pizza, Sarah.
Pizza? Did Sarah give you pizza?
No. Sarah can dad on the house.
Oh. Well done, honey.
This happy house.
A Humpty house?
No, happy house. It's Sarah house.
It's a Sarah house.
It's pretty house.
It's Pooja's house.
Heidi.
Are you ready to go home? Wait. Are you ready to go home? It's now 5:50 ng hapon. Kauwi na ang ating baby girl. It's the blue sun. Nak, are you excited to see Daddy? Are you excited to see Daddy? There's the blue sun. Where is it? No, it's gone. Mama can't see it anymore. Where is it? It's gone. The moon will come up soon, honey, because the sun is gone. Did you count the sun before? Where? A blue sun?
No time.
Oh.
No moon.
And the moon?
There's no moon, Mommy.
There's no moon as yet. Later, there will be moon.
The moon can come back. It's night time.
Yeah, moon will come back at night time. Are you excited to see Daddy?
The sun come back. The sun come back.
The sun will come back tomorrow. It will. You will see the sun tomorrow.
Push shark is my car.
Yes.
Push shark is my car.
Oh yeah, Bruce the shark is in Mommy's car. Who told you that?
My shirt is going in the back in the house.
Ano back in the house? Kaya wait, balang bata eh. Knock on the door na, knock. Knock on the door. Call Daddy.
Daddy! Daddy!
Suko na si Paris. There's na Daddy. Daddy's not answering the door. Say, where are you, Daddy? Say, where are you, Daddy?
I think, Mommy.
Okay, Mommy will open it.
Okay.
Okay. Don't make a noise.
Noise to come with Daddy.
Yeah. Go, sige. Open the door. You know how to open it. Come on. Good job. Well done, honey. Now, where is Daddy? Call Daddy. I think Daddy's here. You like the Mickey Mouse na? Look! Ayan, nanonood siya ng Mickey Mouse o sa TV. Kasi I know, manghihingi na to siya ng DD very soon. Feel ko na. Nak ba? Ayan na nga. Sabi ko na nga eh. What would you like, Nak? What would you like? Big girl. Big girl. Hindi. Kisa si Mama lagi. Kiss. Kiss dahin sa mama. Kiss dahin, baby. I love you, Paris. Daddy's preparing our dinner now, guys. We're having salmon tonight. What's these leaves, Daddy?
Huh?
What's these leaves?
Basil.
Basil. Okay. And then, are you doing naan bread?
Yeah.
Got naan bread as well. Yeah. Alright, here's the presentation. Hello, what's this, Bob?
Huh? Yeah.
What's that one?
Yes.
Oh,
Good?
I don't know what it is. And is this tomato sauce?
Taste.
And we have spinach. Very healthy, our dinner for tonight. Eh?
Taste.
Ang ating baby girl ay gustong mag-read ng kanyang book. In the...
Sit down.
Oh, sit down. Okay. Ayan pala yung pinapanood ko, guys. Oh. Fashion na naman. Zara Ho.
Here you go.
Here you go. Okay.
Here you go.
Okay, we'll read the book. We'll read the book in
Yeah.
the
Favorite.
Big Blue Sea. Good girl.
One.
This one. Nak, Daddy bought you more books.
Stop.
Yeah. Now Daddy bought it online. I think 4 more books. Are you excited?
More pictures.
Yeah. You've got bunny, cat, and dogs.
That's book.
Yeah.
Cat book.
Do you love your books, na?
A bunny book.
A bunny, yes. Daddy got you a bunny book.
Bunny book.
Yeah. Hop like a bunny, hop, 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 like that.
My mate.
Hello, friend.
Come. Cutter. Maybe.
Hello, Sheldon.
Come, mommy. Find a principal big beauty.
Yay! That's really good reading, honey. Hello, Squirt.
Come, mommy. It's fine. Hina. A big beauty.
It's such good reading.
Oh.
Oh, who's this?
It's hurt. My bitcha.
It's Bruce the shark.
My bitcha shark in my car.
That's right, in the car, in Mommy's car. Hello, Bruce.
Come, mommy. Oh, it's biting fish.
Yes. Let's find a submarine.
A big beauty.
Good job. Next. Hello, Dory.
Come, mommy. I find the boat of big beauty. It's now.
Hello, Squirt.
Come, mommy.
Let's find the log.
A big beauty.
She's singing. Hello, Crush.
Come, mommy.
Let's find the wave.
A big beauty. Okay?
Hi guys, it's now 7:50 ng gabi and kakatapos lang naming mag-dinner and yes, Daddy did it again guys. Sobrang sarap ng kanyang salmon kasi ang tawag ito, very crispy ng kanyang skin kaya na-enjoy ko talaga. And now ay maghuhugas na tayo ng plato kasi ang bait-bait ng Daddy Mike natin na magluto ng dinner. And you know what? Actually guys, today din binigyan ako ni Daddy Mike ng $50 kasi sa work kasi ni Daddy Mike, guys, for some reason, may mga points sila. Hindi ko masyadong maintindihan kung, you know, paano. But they have points and everything. Tapos, pag nabuo na yung, pag marami na yung points, pwede nilang i-convert into cash. So, yesterday, tinanong ako ni Daddy Mike kung ano daw yung, bibilhin niya for Paris para sa $50 niya nga na points. Ngayon, sabi niya laruan daw. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, enough na sa laruan kasi sobrang dami na talaga yung laruan ni Paris, guys. Nakita niyo naman yung previous video namin, 'di ba, na yung mga malalaki kailangan naming itapon na, tapos yung mga maliliit pinadala namin sa box. Kaya yeah, sabi ko sa kanya, enough na yung mga toys for now kasi meron pa namang mga laruan si Paris dito sa bahay. So since yung mga damit ni Paris ay maliit na para sa kanya, so sabi ko na bili na lang kami ng damit ni Baby Paris. Kasi alam ko na yung damit talaga ay masusuot ni Baby Paris, 'di ba? Kaya sabi niya, I'll just give it to you kasi ako naman talaga yung mahilig mambili ng mga damit ni Paris. So yes, sinend niya sa akin yung details, and then online, again, AliExpress guys, doon talaga ako tumatakbo pag kailangan kong bumili ng mga damit ni Paris online. Kasi sa ano naman guys, kung dito sa mga shops, kung open lang sana yung mga shops, doon kami bibili. Pero since online naman and AliExpress is really affordable guys. Kaya doon ako nagtingin-tingin. Nagbili ako ng parang set siya for Paris. Kunin ko yung picture guys, tapos ilagay ko dito para makita nyo kung ano yung binili ko. But I think it will look really good for Paris. I know it's parang jacket siya, tapos hoodie siya, tapos may pair na pants. I know it's spring now. Actually, it's spring now guys, because it's 2nd of September or 3rd. Ano ba ngayon? Hala, hindi ko na alam. Pero September na siya guys, spring na dito sa Australia. So hopefully the weather will become better na. Na-mention ko na sa inyo before na pag AliExpress, sometimes matagal siyang dumating. Which I don't mind naman kasi wala naman talagang rush, 'di ba? Super sweet ni Daddy Mike guys kasi naisip niya na instead of ibili niya para sa sarili niya, naisip niya yung anak niya. I adore that. And yan talaga yung nagustuhan ko kay Daddy Mike guys kasi very thoughtful siya. Nag-iisip talaga siya sa amin ni Paris at hindi lang yung sarili niya. Thumbs up. Anyways guys, maghuhugas na tayo ng plato ngayon para ma-ready na natin si Paris kasi tomorrow is Thursday, sa last day ni Paris bukas sa childcare. So i-ready ko yung mga gamit niya for childcare guys, yung susutin niya bukas and all. Kaya yeah, it's going to be a busy night. At mag-i-edit pa si atin nyo. Ang dami kong gagawin guys. Hindi talaga ako nabubore dito sa... Narinig niyo ba silang dalawa guys? Ang laki ng tawa nila. But yeah, hindi talaga ako nabubore dito sa bahay kasi ang dami ko talagang ginagawa. Pag, yeah, working hours, after working hours, pick up Paris, yeah, lucky me kasi si Daddy Mike ay nagluluto and also hindi talaga sa akin lahat. Tapos may mga, tutupain pa, may lalabhan pa, and then get Paris ready and all. Kaya, salute sa mga mothers dyan, guys. Hindi talaga easy. Anak, mabuak na, anak!
Chicken.
Chicken?
Iya, iya,
Oh, iyay, oh.
Tenara kong mga ngating niya. Guwapa kayo.
Ayan. Tignan nyo aking sister, guys, oh. Nag-cut ng kanyang meat. Si Mingay. Guys, if ever na malapit kayo sa Balingasa, guys, visit nyo ang aming meat shop ng aking sisterit. Isin Meat Dealer. Ayan.
Isin meat dealer.
Pakita nyo mga fresh na mga produce. Fresh talaga yung mga karne nila guys kasi every single day sila nag-ihaw ba. Hi guys, it's now 8:40 ng gabi and nandito na kami sa bed. Paris is now going to sleep. Ay, hindi ko pa pala siya nabihisan guys. So, asan na yung damit niya? Andito ba yung mga damit niya for bed? But she's going to bed real soon kasi malapit nang mag 9 o'clock. Yeah, I just wanna say thank you guys sa inyong lahat sa pagsama sa amin sa video natin today. Welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. I hope na i-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. At maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. And now we're just going to do a quick shout out. And first shout out goes to Trinidad R. Oscoro of San Juan, Albay. And also to her husband daw na si Jose Oscoro. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Shout out to Gamer TV, Nora Nisa K, Pichi Santiago, Gladys Mandanhuyan, and also sa kanyang husband daw from North Cotabato. Shout out to Chari Salazar from Makati City, Hope Marie Hill de Casa 24, shout out from Iligan City, and also shout out daw kay Mamshi Nympha de Casa at Suarez NHS. Shout out to Jeneline Balcorsa from Hingoog City. Lisan Bansil. And also shout out daw sa kanyang sister na si Joey Lim and Jennifer Marie. Shout out to Gigi and Laika Vlogs. Rosana Mansueto from Laguna, Philippines. Irene Aviles. Shout out to Glenda de la Cruz, Janice Dayaw from Camigan Island, Mad Brat, Lorna Gonzaga, Erlinda Madelo, Ruby de la Rosa, Tita Ruth Morales from Siargao with her 3 kids, John SJ and Queenie. Shout out to Elnora Grinja, Rose Lumeran, Arin Panurel, Kane Bernales, Ritz Siscape, and shout out to Cherry Ramos and to her family from Santa Cruz, Laguna. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Annalisa Fama, Charlotte Indino, Ivan De Lunas, LV Montealegre, Jonah Rees, Lerma Cerezo, Jojo, Helen Abiertas, Queen Survivor TV, Esmeralda, Joanne Owano, Kusha Basham, June Atanasio, Glenda de la Cruz, Ifigenia Zarate, Miss Photogenic in Style by Jen. Hello. Shout out to Joanne Ambe, Maria Zoila Llanos, May Gao, Amay Vargas, Divien Bacacao, Desilyn Beltran, Sandra James, Ginia Dular, Erica Peralta, Tess Arellano, Ana Demate, Lane Romero, Irene Kilang, Sharon Ando, Arlene Labadan, Virgie Gabotero, and Mary Jane Encina. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah.